Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Curly Traveler. I'm your girl Brandy, and today we are going to go over how to do a 3-strand twist. So it's something that a lot of people know how to do, and then it's also something that a lot of people just also don't know how to do, which is fair. It's really confusing. It's a lot of this, and when you watch videos of people doing it, it looks like this. So I understand. Trust me, guys. I don't know how I figured it out, to be honest. I really don't. I probably watched somebody's video in like slow motion. Y'all know that's a feature here on YouTube. I probably watched a video in super slow motion and was like, okay, let me wash these fingers. But anyways, I think I have a way to explain it to you guys that can be simple. So I'm only gonna do this on one section of hair today, just to show you guys how it looks. I do have another video where I did do a 3-strand twist, and I will link that below just so you can see how it looked in a style. Although I'm pretty sure you guys know that as well. That's why you're here, because you want to learn how to do it for yourself. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this thing started. Okay, so this, where's my comb? Found her. Felicia, girl, don't do that to me again. All right, I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this leave-in. All right, I'm gonna comb through, starting from the ends and working your way up. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do this entire chunk for you guys. I'm thinking if I do a big section of hair, it'll make it easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. So what you're gonna do, and again, this is just the way I do it. Other people may, you know, do it a little bit different, but this is the way I do it. Can't say it's the most correct way to do it or not. So what I do is I section the hair in 3, okay? If you wanna just rake 2 fingers through, you can do that, like that. But you wanna make sure each section is equal. So like this is a little bit thinner than this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that again. I'll feel them out. You just want it to be equal, because if they're not, then one section is gonna run shorter than the others, guys. Let's see. Okay, this feels okay-ish. We're getting there. Great. So yeah, the sectioning on the scalp, obviously, it just doesn't always equal to equal hair amounts, so just work with it and find your good division. Okay, I have 3 sections here. As y'all can see, the easiest way I can say to do this is hold them in between your fingers. You know, you got a grip, whichever hand you want. I hope I can explain this right, guys. Okay, I'm gonna hold my hand out. Okay, fingers in between the hair, right? And what you're gonna do, oh my god, I don't even know how to explain this. We're gonna number the hair sections, okay? This is 1, 2, and 3, okay? I got them lined up in between my knuckles. I'm gonna take 1 and bring it over behind 3. And then replace the hand movement, okay? Now I'm taking 2, bringing that behind 1. Now I'm taking 3, bringing it behind 2. And just keep moving your knuckles. This is probably the worst instruction, but basically you're just taking the leader and bringing it to the caboose. Is that the right saying? I think. Take the leader line and bring it to the end. Take the leader line, bring it to the end. And you want to keep all 3 sections in line, and you're just going to keep moving one to the end, moving one to the end. Leader, bring her to the end. Leader, bring her around to the end, and just keep going in that same direction. Leader to the end. Leader to the end. Leader to the end. Leader to the end. You know, if you got a comb, leader to the end. And as you can see, I keep putting my fingers in this section, these two in the middle, leader to the end, fingers, leader to the end, fingers, fingers, leader to the end. Okay, comb when you need to. Going, and once you get to a point at the end where maybe one section or two of them are getting too small, you can just go ahead and finish with a 2-strand twist. So sometimes the ends might just be a really short 2-strand, and that's okay. So this is it. That is the 3-strand twist, looking all juicy, girl. Okay, if you guys have any questions on this, please don't hesitate to ask below. I know this is kind of a confusing method to learn, especially on video. So if there's anybody around you that knows how to do it, obviously ask them. But that is the best way I can explain it. You want to just make sure you got these 3 lines and you just want them to, never mind, that wasn't gonna work out. But this is the 3-strand twist. If you guys are here because you want to do the Jordan twist out that I came up with, well, I hope this helps out. And if you guys are not here because of that and you don't know about the Jordan twist out, I highly recommend that you go and check out that video. The Jordan twist out is up on my page. I have 2 videos, one of which I did the Jordan twist out for the very first time on as a refresh. You know, I like to retwist my hair at night to refresh it, and that was I needed to wash my hair that day, so I did that Jordan twist out and it helped give it a really cute, wavy, loose stretch vibe that time. And the next video is actually on freshly washed hair, so guys, go check out the Jordan twist, okay, if you have not seen it. And I mentioned that because doing a 3-strand twist is a part of the Jordan twist out, guys. So I hope I was able to help you guys out in this video. Let me know if this did help, and if you have any tips for curlistas out there on how to easily achieve this method, go ahead and put that in the comments, guys. Until then, thank you so much for stopping by and trusting me to give you advice on all of this. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss another one from me. I'm also trying to reach a goal of getting 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and you guys can help me out with that. Until then, thank you so much for checking out my channel. I'll see you guys next time.